Hey guys, today we embark on a journey through the sunlit hills and bustling agoras of ancient Greece, a civilization that has profoundly shaped the course of Western thought. Welcome to the Narrator. Dive into captivating stories from history and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting journeys through time. Ancient Greece, a land of diverse city-states, each with its unique culture and governance, from the materialistic Sparta to the democratic Athens. This civilization was a mosaic of human endeavor and creativity. It is known for their architectural marvels, dramatic arts, and monumental achievements in science and politics. The Greeks also laid the foundation of Western philosophy. Let's delve into the lives and teachings of some of the great thinkers that the world has ever known. Socrates, the enigmatic philosopher, who never wrote a word, yet his ideas have echoed through millennia. Known as the gadfly of Athens, Socrates challenged the status quo with his relentless questioning, a method now known as the Socratic method. Through dialectic, Socrates sought to uncover underlying truths and expose contradiction in people's beliefs. His mission was not to impart knowledge, but to provoke critical thinking and self-reflection. Accused of corrupting the youth and impiety, Socrates was sentenced to death. His trial and subsequent execution are immortalized in Plato's dialogues, showcasing his unyielding commitment to his principles. One of Socrates' most illustrious students was Plato. Plato carried forward his mentor's legacy. He founded the Academy, the first institution of higher learning in the Western world. Plato's works, written in the form of dialogues, explore a wide range of topics from politics to metaphysics. In his book, The Republic, Plato introduces the allegory of the cave, a profound metaphor for human ignorance and the philosopher's journey towards enlightenment. He envisioned a society governed by philosophers, kings, wise rulers who embody justice and reason. Plato's most famous student was Aristotle. Aristotle was a polymath whose writings encompassed nearly every field of knowledge. At the Lyceum Aristotle School, he pioneered studies in logic, biology, ethics, politics, and more. Aristotle's empirical approach and systematic classification of knowledge laid the groundwork for the scientific method. His ethical works, particularly the Nicomachean Ethics, explore the concept of virtue and the path of eudaimonia, or human flourishing. The legacy of these ancient thinkers endures in our educational systems, scientific inquiry, and philosophical discourse. This quest for knowledge and understanding continues to inspire and challenges us today. From steps of the Parthenon to the halls of modern universities, the echoes of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle remind us of the power of human thought and the enduring quest for truth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ancient Greece and its philosophers. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please like, share, and subscribe to The Narrator. Stay tuned for more stories that bring you to the past.